Yo, what's up guys? We back with another video. I'm in a little different location. It's currently sitting on the floor. But yeah, as you probably tell by the title of the video, we got a lot of protein bars. And I'm gonna do a protein bar review. We're gonna get into it. I got my handy knife and cutting board so I can cut the protein bars into pieces, because I will not be eating all of these protein bars. And I also have my Supreme coffee to take sips in between to reset the palate. So, without further ado, let's get into it. We're gonna dump all these out. Look at them all. There's a lot, so we're gonna be here for a while, guys. First one, lemon cake pure protein. Alrighty, so we're gonna bust her open. Actually, let's first go over the macros. For all of these to be rated 1 out of 10, I think I'm gonna be rating the macros and calories and like obviously taste. But I did choose all protein bars that had like decent macros. So yeah, smells like lemon cake for sure. Lemon cake pure protein. Not the best. Macros are good. 190 calories, 20 grams of protein. So pretty good, but it didn't taste the best. I'm gonna go a 6 out of 10. And yeah, I think I'm gonna do all pure protein first. This one is Chocolate Deluxe. 21 grams of protein and 180 calories. So less calories and more protein. But does it taste good? We will see. That one was a lot better. It's like chocolate, but I'm almost getting like a fruity vibe from it. So it's better than the other one. So we're gonna go 7 out of 10. And the macros are good, so you get some cough. The next pure protein. Oh, this is gonna be horrendous. Red Velvet pure protein. Macros good though. 20 grams of protein, 190 calories. Seems like these pure protein bars pretty good on the calories and macros. Red Velvet, it's got the solid macros, but how is the taste? Not that bad. Probably on the same level as the lemon cake, to be honest. Probably 6 out of 10. We got one more pure. Yeah, one more pure protein. This is peanut butter cup. This one is 200 calories, so 10 more calories than the other ones. 20 grams of protein. That was hard to cut. Jeez, bro. Very like hard to chew. Taste was pretty shit. Peanut butter. I actually like peanut butter, so kind of upset. I'm gonna go 6 out of 10 again. It's just average, you know, a little above average because they got the good macros, but for the most part, it's average. I'm waiting for like a wow, you know, like a wow. We're gonna move on to the Think bars. I have 3 of these. First one I'll try is chocolate almond brownie. We got 10 grams of protein, 150 calories. And as you guys can see, I don't really look at like the carbs, the fat really. I just look at the calories and then the protein. So ew, chocolate almond brownie. And I taste like, once again, I taste like fruit, like a raspberry or something. And the macros aren't even good. I wouldn't even want to eat that, no. 4 out of 10. Alright. We got salted caramel for the next one. 10 grams of protein, 150 calories. Better be good. Here we go. That was a lot better. At first, it tastes like, almost like plastic. And then as you chew into it, you get like a coffee kind of vibe, like the salted caramelness. That's actually pretty good. But again, like the macros are kind of shitty. I'm gonna give it a 6.5. 6.5 out of 10. Now this one I'm actually excited for. I saw this one, Smores, and like I feel like Smores would be so good. Yeah. Think bar, Smores, 150 calories, 10 grams of protein. Alright. disappointed again. It just didn't do it for me. I don't know. Like at first it tasted like, once again, like a plastic or like something fake. It didn't even taste like anything. You know what I'm saying? I was trying to get like a chocolate and like marshmallow vibe, and I just didn't get it. 4 out of 10, bro. Like, come on, step up the game. So that's it for the Think bars. I think next we're gonna go with the Kirkland, because these are the ones that I eat. This is the best protein bar. This is the best protein bar I've ever had. Cookie dough from Kirkland, literally the best. And I also like these a lot because the macros are so good. And it tastes good. So, 1 bar, 190 calories, 21 grams of protein. Cheers. Chocolate brownie, right? And it literally tastes like a brownie. They kill the flavors. I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. It's just solid. It's so sweet, and I like sweetness. I feel like the other ones are not that sweet. We're gonna get into this one. I already know what I'm gonna rate this one, I think. Same macros as the brownie one, I'm pretty sure. 190 calories, 21 grams of protein, same thing. That's it. Still, like, I just tried all those. I mean, they were pretty bad, but best protein bar I've ever had. Chocolate chip cookie dough. And it literally tastes like chocolate chip cookie dough. Like, you can't beat it. Still gonna give it, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna like compare it to like a chocolate bar or something. So I'm gonna give it a 9. Solid 9 out of 10. I don't think there's anything that's gonna beat it in this pile. But if it does, I haven't tried most of these, so leaving room for a 10 out of 10 just in case. We're gonna go with the no-cal bars. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, you know I tried the peanut butter chocolate chip one, and I didn't like it at all. Look, that's what it looks like. No-cal peanut butter chocolate chip, 21 grams of protein and 190 calories. So the same macros as the best protein bar in the world right there. Oh, this is dry, bro. I can tell it's plant protein. Like, I don't want to be able to tell that it's plant protein. Like, and I gotta give it a 4 out of 10 again. I tried it twice. I don't know what to tell you. Like, that is not good. Ugh. Alright, and we're moving on to the next one. No cow. Hopefully this one is better than that one. Lemon moringa pie? I have no idea how to say that one. Basically, lemon cake. Alright, lemon cake. First of all, viewing it, it's brown, so it's not even like yellow. So it looks like a turd. It smells like a lemon cake though, like a lemony vibe. Let's see. Same thing. I bite into it, and it just dries my tongue right away. It literally turns my mouth into the Sahara Desert. And then like the aftertaste, I'm chewing it, I'm getting a little bit of taste, and I swallow, and it's just like nothing's there. Another 4 out of 10. 4 out of 10. Like, I would not eat that again. Alright, we got another one. Hey, another no-cal bar. This is chocolate fudge brownie. This one's got 210. So it's got 20 more calories, 21 grams of protein, so like same protein. It's got 20 more calories. It better be gas. If it's dry again. Oh my god, bro. Dog shit. That's what I feel like I'm eating. I'm like eating like a dog treat right now. It's dry, but I got a lot more flavor from the chocolate one than the other ones, probably because it has like 20 more calories, but still not good. 4.5. We'll give it a solid 4.5. That was just not it. We're moving on. Grain-free protein bar, Fit Joy, cookies and cream. I've never seen these before in my life, but I saw them at the store, and I figured I would get them. So, 20 grams of protein, 210 calories. So I saw these. I only picked them up because the macros were like decent. Oh, the presentation on this one. Hold up. Oh. That was actually good. I would probably eat it again, maybe. I'm gonna give it a 6. We'll give it a 6. Solid 6. And then we have another one, same brand, Fit Joy. Chocolate peanut butter, 20 grams of protein, 230 calories. Too many cows. No. Ugh. It's bad vibes, bad vibes. It tastes exactly like the Pure Protein chocolate peanut butter cup. So I'm gonna rate it the same as that and just give it a 6. But like for the macros, it's just shitty on macros. I'm gonna give it a 5 because I like the cookies and cream one more and it had better macros. Now we get to the Quest bars. I'm sure y'all been waiting for this one. I'll start with the double chocolate chunk Quest bar. 20 grams of protein, 180 calories, so pretty low calorie. I can feel myself like I'm getting gaseous right now. You know what I'm saying? You guys know what I'm saying. If you eat protein bars, you know what I'm saying. I'm getting a little gaseous right now. Let's get it. I don't know. For a Quest bar, I was expecting more because I've had Quest bars and I like Quest bars and they usually taste good. But that one didn't really do it for me. It was honestly the same taste as the Pure Protein like chocolate one. If anything, I like the Pure Protein better. I'm gonna give it a solid. I'm gonna give it a 6. Give it a 6 out of 10. Wasn't the best. Next up, peanut butter brownie smash. Now I have a feeling this is gonna be gas. 190 calories, 20 grams of protein. It's got chocolate on the bottom and peanut butter on the top. All right, let's get it. That was like insane, honestly. I really like that. It tastes like a payday almost. Wow, that was really good. But I'm trying to think if I would eat this over the cookie dough one, and I don't think I would. So I'm gonna give it 8.5. 8.5. That's good though. Peanut butter brownie smash. Highly recommend. We're gonna get into this caramel chocolate chunk. I think I've had this before, but I honestly don't remember if it's good or not. Macros: 190 calories, 20 grams of protein. The regular, you know. No, not at all. No, I don't know. Like, it's not good. I'm kind of mad. That's gonna get a 5. It's just average. It's definitely better than the no-cal bars, bro. Those are awful. And the last one, chocolate chip cookie dough Quest bar, 21 grams of protein, 200 calories. Let's get it. It's not doing it. This one is still superior after trying like 20 protein bars. This is not even that good. So I'm gonna honestly give this like a 6.5. It's better than the Pure Protein bars, but it's nothing crazy. Like, if you haven't tried like this cookie dough protein bar, like, you can't even talk to me, because like this is the best. I don't care. Maybe I gotta try more. I don't really know. We got all these extra protein bars because I only took like a bite of each, and I'm getting gaseous over here. Like, I gotta go to the toilet. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys want to see more reviews like this, pretty confident my palate is pretty good. Yeah, that just about wraps up the protein bar review. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like down below. It really helps me out. Consider subscribing and hitting the bell button so you get notified whenever I post videos like this banger. And yeah, comment for the algorithm for your boy. Helps me out once again. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Can't reach. Oh, bit.